In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use saved replies in Buffer. Saved replies are a simple way to respond faster and more consistently on social channels without retyping the same message over and over. They're especially handy for common questions, commands, thank you notes, and quick engagement prompts. Let's walk through it together step by step, and I'll add tips to help you get the most out of them. First, open Buffer. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser, make sure you're signed in, and select the correct channel or organization if you manage more than one. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll typically find it in the sidebar or under a gear icon. Settings is where Buffer keeps features that shape how you work, so it's the right place for building reusable content. Inside Settings, click Saved Replies. This is the dedicated area where all your pre-written responses live. Think of it as your personal library for quick, on-brand messages. Now click the button labeled Plus New Saved Reply. This opens a clean form where you'll set up the reply. Start by entering a clear title. Use names that make it obvious when to use each reply, such as Thank You Reply, Customer Support, or Engagement Reply. A consistent naming style helps you and your teammates find the right response in seconds. If you manage multiple topics, consider adding short prefixes like support, shipping, or engagement, welcome, so related replies group together visually. Next, type your saved response or message. Keep it friendly, on brand, and easy to personalize. You might include a placeholder like name or order number as a reminder to customize before sending. Keep sentences concise and avoid jargon that could confuse your audience. If appropriate for your brand voice, add an emoji or two to keep the tone warm, and consider a helpful link for more details. Read it out loud once to catch anything that sounds stiff or robotic. When you're happy with the wording, click Save. Your reply is now stored and ready to use. You can always come back later to refine the title or adjust the message as your policies or tone evolve. From now on, open the saved reply anytime when responding to messages or comments. When you're composing a response in Buffer, look for the Saved Replies option, select the one you created, and it will drop right into your message field. Give it a quick personal touch if needed, then send. That's it. You've set up a streamlined system for faster, more consistent communication using saved replies in Buffer.